Hello, what's up guys? And here we have a beautiful piece of Iberico pork. Come show it closer. Here you go. This beautiful Iberico pork from Spain. And we gonna cook it today slowly. What does it mean? We will use the old Japanese grill and we will slow cook that for approximately 6 hours. So this is my first experience with the Kamado Grill, and actually I will learn by doing. We will marinate that with salt and pepper and some steak and chops grind, which includes a lot of ingredients like coriander, cumin, garlic, mustard seed, white pepper, green pepper and caramel. We also would use the apple wood chops to get some nice flavor for our pork. That we have already done, so the grill is already set for 120-130 degrees. Give me a camera, I'll show that. Here we go. Here is the temperature, and we want to keep it stable. It will go a bit down after we put the meat in. As well, we will use some beer in order to humidate the process of slow cooking. We would use alcohol-free beer for that. So we would do a marinade now. We won't use any olive oil. We'll try to do it dry. Oh, that smells amazing. We don't use grinded pepper or salt. I prefer that always having fresh, which would mean that it's much more aroma when you do it freshly grinded. So as you can see, our piece is perfectly covered with our marinade, and we would put it in the grill right now. So first we would use a beer. You can use any type of beer. I suggest we use alcohol-free beer because we don't need actually alcohol. So we do it 0.75 cl of beer here. We open the grill. We put that in. Right now we put the and the meat comes in. We use the beer as well, that the fat doesn't drop on the ceramic. So 6.5 hours later, we have stable 125 degrees, and we want to see how good our Iberico pork is inside. In the meantime, I have connected the thermo, which shows 80 degrees inside. I'm not really fan of cooking pork, so I don't know if this is way too high or way too low. Let us see. In the meantime, what we've done, we've added some more beer, and this is how it looks so far. Not bad, huh? So we disconnect the thermo. We take that beautiful piece. Here you go. Sit closer. Let us see. As you can see, this is pretty juicy. Do you see the juice? Let us try that. This is very good. The temperature is fantastic. The juiciness is amazing. Come here, come closer. I show you how the meat looks. So take a look. Take a look at the meat. Yeah, this is how it is. This is how it comes from the bone. So guys, first experience with the Iberico pork, and I would say this is very successful. Coming next. Bye bye.